All right, guys, this is my first short, and I actually want to do this as a with you guys. I want to ask you guys a couple questions. So, you know, my channel's evolves into basically smart home. If you're a member, if not, that's what it is. And here are kind of look into the future of what we might get into. Maybe show how to work that smart clock, the Echo Smart Clock. Not new, relatively old, but still fun. The new Echo Pops. I do have the Echo Show 8, the new 3rd generation. We got some ring motion detectors. We have a smart soap dispenser. The new Akara motion sensor, which is quite amazing. We will do a video on. And then some bigger and better, like the dual camera 24/7 recording with the Homebase 3, and then also the dual camera floodlight, which we will replace with Eufy's old floodlight on the front of my garage. But I wanted to ask you guys, what about doing something different, maybe like a computer build? As you can see, I do have a case right there for a build. Right here, we have almost everything. Right here on the bottom, the MSA Mag X570 is our motherboard. Then we have some water-cooled fans there, the Kraken Z63. Above that's a Thermaltake 850 watt power supply. Above that, the AMD Ryzen 7. That is the 5850X3D. To the right of that, we have some Thermaltake 3D fans, a few more fans. Behind that, you can't really see it. There's a white box, just some cat cables. I do have 2x16 G-Skills Trident RAM. And then the only thing I'm waiting on is a graphics card. So I was wondering if that would be something you guys would be interested in. We could maybe do a 4-part or however many part series it takes to do a build. I've done one, so I can do another one. It would be kind of fun if that's something you guys would like, or would you like to keep up with the smart home? Because I have plenty more where that came from. Or, I have some other fun stuff over here, like soldering RGB or LED lights, LED strings. I have a Raspberry Pi there. We have some ESP32s, some wires if we want to cut. If we want to do WLED, if anybody knows about that, if you would like to learn something about that, I can play around with that for days. So anyway, I just wanted to see how this short goes and get you guys' opinion on a few things. And also, I think that since this is my first short, I'm going to go ahead and if I get, let's see, 1,000 views, I'm going to give away this Govee 32-foot Fantasy Pro RGB LED light set to whoever has a birthday on the 13th of the month and is the first to answer that question. First person to have their birthday on the 13th of a month and comment it will win this Govee 32-foot Fantasy Pro LED light kit. So there it is. Guys, let me know your opinion on everything.